By the conclusion of 2023, God assures prosperity, success, and enhanced health to those who believe. Anticipate blessings encompassing good health, joy, and happiness. Negatives in your life will reverse, and your family will be blessed. Healing will permeate every aspect in need, fading pain and struggles, paving the way for a transformative life. God's healing touch will shower blessings into your life tonight. Expect the long-awaited miracle, and worries will dissipate. Like David, who believed in God's strength over Goliath, a wonderful healing is approaching, ensuring complete recovery from sickness and despair. Trust that God loves you, sending angels to bear your burdens and protect your family. In moments of solitude, find comfort and strength, knowing that life-changing blessings are on the horizon. Whenever you feel hopeless, turn to God. He will replace your pain and worries with happiness and peace. God's angels work behind the scenes, managing your financial burdens and ensuring the safety of your loved ones. In times of sadness and loneliness, remember that God is your source of joy. With God by your side, find strength to overcome any challenge. Hold on to hope and faith. A beautiful path unfolds before you, paving the way for a future filled with blessings, opportunities, and joy. In moments of darkness, remember that God can turn the darkest night into the brightest day. He is the Lord of Heaven's armies, capable of handling any challenge. His love for you is immeasurable, deeply caring for your well-being. Your prayers have not gone unheard. God is about to answer you in incredible ways. Though challenges may lie ahead, remember you are not alone. God is with you, fighting your battles and bringing you through every storm. As you retire tonight, rest assured that God is working on your behalf. Your life is on the brink of a remarkable turn, and miracles are coming your way. Worries will be replaced with peace, and your heart will overflow with gratitude. Thank God for the blessings about to unfold, and speak it out loud with faith and excitement. Prepare for extraordinary breakthroughs, good news, better health, and success this weekend. A time filled with joy and achievements awaits this season, with pain easing, lost things returning, and financial stability prevailing. A period of great success and wealth is imminent, with blessings overflowing beyond imagination. As the year progresses, expect fantastic changes, breakthroughs, and miracles. New opportunities and fresh starts are on the horizon, leading to a time of prosperity and freedom. Your sadness will transform into happiness, prayers answered in real time. The year 2023 will bring transformation, breakthroughs, and miracles, with blessings pouring into your life. God is doing amazing things, and a new season of blessings is approaching. Trust that you are not alone. God has your back, sending angels to watch over and protect you. Wonderful things will happen in November, blessings pouring in beyond your wildest dreams. You are destined for success, happiness, and good health in the next few days. Get ready for incredible miracles that will change your life forever. Your worries will be replaced with peace, and your heart will overflow with gratitude. Thank God for the blessings about to unfold, and speak it out loud with faith and excitement. You are on the brink of something extraordinary, and no matter what you face, God is greater than any challenge. In July, you'll be jumping with joy as God's favor and miracles become a part of your everyday life. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. God has your back and has sent angels to watch over and protect you and your family. In November, expect wonderful things to happen, with blessings pouring in beyond your wildest dreams. You are destined for success, happiness, and good health in the next few days. Get ready for extraordinary breakthroughs, good news, and better health. This will be a time filled with joy and achievements, with your pain easing, lost things returning, and plenty of financial stability. Embrace the freedom God offers and say goodbye to pain and frustration. Your days of joy, peace, and fulfillment are ahead of you. Trust in God, and miracles will be yours. Understand that life can be challenging, but God is here to support you. Your home will be shielded from harm, illness, and wickedness. In 2023, expect a remarkable comeback. Your health, relationships, and finances will be restored. God is turning your scarcity into abundance, your difficulties into triumph, and your poverty into wealth. Put your trust in God and watch as miracles unfold before your eyes. You have the power within you to bring unlimited health, wealth, and prosperity to your family. Embrace the freedom God offers and live a life filled with joy, peace, and fulfillment. In times of doubt or fear, affirm your strength, love, and destined greatness. Trust in God's love, and miracles will become a regular part of your life. This is your time to rise above challenges and embrace the blessings that await you. Let go of worries and anxieties, for God is taking care of all your plans. As we journey together, witness your life transform from darkness to light, sorrow to happiness, and lack to abundance. The love and blessings God has in store for you are beyond measure. Hold on tight to hope, faith, and gratitude. Your life is about to change in ways you never thought possible. Declare, God is with me, and trust in Him. Blessings, joy, and prosperity will pour out upon you. Your life will be a testimony of God's goodness and love, and others will see His light shining through you. Continue seeking God in prayer and putting your faith in His plan. You will experience the extraordinary, with miracles unfolding in your life. Today, receive all the love, healing, and abundance you deserve. Your family will be blessed, and miracles will come just when you need them. Even in the face of tough challenges, fear not, for God is here to protect you and provide life-changing opportunities. Your family's life can change for the better. Embrace the freedom God offers and bid farewell to pain and frustration. Your days of joy, peace, and fulfillment are ahead of you. Trust in God, and miracles will be yours. Beloved child, understand that life can be challenging, but take heart, for God is here to support you, never leaving your side. Your home will be shielded from harm, illness, and wickedness. In 2023, get ready for a remarkable comeback. Your health, relationships, and finances will be restored. God is turning your scarcity into abundance, your difficulties into triumph, and your poverty into wealth. Put your trust in God and watch as miracles unfold before your eyes. Beloved children, you have the power within you to bring unlimited health, wealth, and prosperity to your family. Embrace the freedom God offers and release yourself from burdens and chains that hold you back. No more days of pain, stress, and frustration. God grants you the freedom to live a life filled with joy, peace, and fulfillment.